Rigged up. It's a big one.
Ready, Sal? No worries.
I just need you to untie the rope for me, Izzy. That's all. When it gets to the ground, you just have to untie that rope.
You go really fast. Might have a
Put a really long daisy chain on it. So we can get it from a while off.
yeah.
Same as the other one? Yeah, I'll go 2. Alright, mate. Yeah, anybody anaphylactic?
Any what?
Anaphylactic, where you get a bite and then you have to go to hospital?
No. Tina is.
Oh. Don't bring her.
With this.
Ready. Maybe the bees will just stay in there and it'll just be magical. Cracking. Crack-a-jacking. There she goes. They're not even cranky, is he?
Not yet.
Nah, they're good quick. Before they get cranky. Oh, bail. Did you get one? Oh no, back over to it. Oh. Alright, disconnect. Izzy, go give him a hand. Izzy, give him a hand. Disconnect him.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, there was like 3 on my face.
They bite you?
No, I smacked them off.
Oh, they didn't bite you.
What are we going to do?
Oh, you hold the rope. Come on.
Do you want to move it?
Yeah, I'll get it down. Panic stations, mate.
Nah, that was bad. They were like all over my face.
You're meant to be zen, just, you know. You want to just drag it out with your hands?
Yeah, but I'm going to move there.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's all good. And about 3 stretched over my face.
Gosh.
They didn't go in my arms or anything. They were just flying around me. They've also come back down though. Oh,
Yeah.
Still around the rigging ring. Around my collar. Look how many are up the top of the other tree.
There's a few.
Ew.
Maybe we can take the whole thing home. That'd be cool. I'll take it.
Beehive?
Yeah. If we can cut it and they stay in there, which they probably will, I'll come back and take it. Oh, he might want to relocate it. Were you in control that whole time? On the way down?
Yeah. Yeah, my rope just got...
Yeah, pulled you back over.
Holy shit, that's a lot of bees. You do that again? Ah!
I shouldn't laugh. Oh, on your face.
They always go for the face. They're dead bees.
Run, Izzy. No, you don't have to
Go on,
run.
carry
There's a
on.
few around you. Evacuate.
Holy shit. That is a lot of bees.
Oh, yep, there's one.
You stung?
No, they bomb you.
They try and scare you.
Ah, they just start dive bombing you when they're pissed off. Bombed again. Another one.
That's
Right.
stuck.
Nah, I could probably unflip it. We'll just give them a minute. I'm being bee bombed. Are they still on my helmet?
What do you even do?
Oh, when they stop being pissed, usually
Like, what's the procedure here?
usually you have a bee suit.
We didn't learn this at art school.
Yeah, bee suit, and then go in there, cut out their little hollow, and then just let them chill out for a bit. Did you get it out? Get out the stinger?
Nah, no stinger.
Yeah, somebody.
Yep. Are we bring it down?
Yeah, if we can.
Take a rope on it if you want. Throw it over.
Let's see, there we go.
I feel like there was a wrong way to do it.
Yeah, I could get some bee suits. I'll call Charlie. Not like this. Oh, you know, can you hear me? How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Any chance you're coming out this way? Down to...
Yeah, we're 4 minutes away.
Okay. Can you... I really need a bee suit.
Well, I'm 4 minutes away.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye bye. We'll be right, mate. It's actually good for your immune system. Huh? Say again? Yeah, how close to the mic? Alright, we'll get it down.